Hello, this is Inoue Web from Singapore. Thank you for watching today. Now, I'd like to introduce our latest new model called Sun and Moon Classic Pair. We prepared a lot of sports watches in this year 2020, such as M-Force and Diver Design. But now, pleased to introduce very beautiful dressy pair watches. So please look at the slide. At first, I would like to introduce about the very important concept of this new model. So this is a special product that combined these two prominent designs, Bambino and Sun and Moon. Maybe you heard about this Bambino and Sun and Moon separately, so I will tell you the details. Orient was born in 1950 and Orient Star was born in 1951. At that time, there were many wristwatches with dome-shaped plastic shield on the top. This design was called mid-century design, very popular. Many brands have a similar look. But this trend has once faded with the advent of the glass shield and analog quartz. But Orient revived this classic mechanical watch in the 90s, the photo in the middle, the Orient Star Dynamic. So we can say that this Orient Star Dynamic design is the origin of Orient Classic, which is generally called Bambino recently. We have 4 different Sun and Moon designs until today. The first generation product, left side photo, was called ET0P, started to sell in 2012. Look at the photo on the bottom left. The disc of Sun and Moon indicator is monochrome, no color. Then look at number 2. We installed color Sun and Moon disc for second generation ET0T in 2014. And in 2017, we updated to third generation Sun and Moon due to replace 2 new caliber F6. Sun and Moon disc is rotating by the power coming from the date indicator driving wheel, and this wheel's location has changed from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock position. So this is a reason why we need to move the position of 2 eyes. Then in 2018, look at number 4, we developed Sun and Moon with open hand. This also changed the position of Sun and Moon disc due to its new mechanism. Now I would like to share more details of our first generation Sun and Moon development and concept at that time. And I'd like to introduce our designer. His photo is on the upper right. Name is Mr. Nakazawa, the key person of this Sun and Moon development. Maybe we should call him founder of ORIENT Sun Moon. He needed to consider new design for this Sun and Moon, which would feel happy and comfort. And he came up with the idea of giving a physical expression on both Sun and Moon's face. He drew Asian face on the Sun. It is gently smiling, and this Sun is watching the daytime activities of the user. Also draw sleeping but smiling face on the Moon, feels more comfort and relaxed at the evening to nighttime. So I really recommend you to see its details carefully, although it is a very small part. I believe you will be a good feeling from this smiling face. And please find new model. It has a Sun and Moon disc at 6 o'clock position. And its design reflects the philosophy and idea of first generation model ET0P. Design of the Sun is exactly same. We modify the Moon design to be similar as Sun to provide better visibility. And we prepare this Sun and Moon disc Sun and Moon Classic for both men and ladies as pair watch. The same Sun and Moon design is installed. We hope both men and women can enjoy together. Okay, now I would like to show you the model details. First, I would like to show you the blue color. So it's a very beautiful mother of pearl dial for both men and lady, together with Sun and Moon disc. And of course, it has a boxed glass for men and for ladies, same as Bambino. So you can enjoy the very classic design with a very beautiful dial color. And we also have one more mother of pearl dial with white. So now you can see the very good reflection, the pattern of the dial with mother of pearl. Very luxury image goes you from these watches. And this is only for ladies. For men's watches, it's just a white color. But other pair watches, you can prepare. And also we have one more limited edition. So this is 70th anniversary limited edition. So look at this green color gradation with gold hands and index. Of course, this is with the Sun Moon disc, and it is only available in a limited quantity. Last but not least, so I'd like to request one important thing to all Orient Watch fans. Recently, we saw a lot of online sellers handling our products, but we found some of these are not authorized. Means we cannot make sure the origin and condition of watch itself. Additionally, the mechanical watch is a precision product, so means regular inspections and repairs are required. Our authorized distributor regularly take technical training for this purpose. So that's why we highly recommend to all of you to buy our products from the authorized dealers. I really hope all Orient fans keep using and enjoy our genuine products a long time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.